Hi there everyone, welcome to Technoholic. In this video, we're going to talk about the difference between posts and pages in WordPress and what should you use and when. So as you know, we are covering WordPress beginner series and this video is also part of our ongoing WordPress series, and you want to start from beginning, I would suggest you go check them out after this. Now let's come back to this video topic, which is post versus pages, and it is very easy, I would say, to create both. Let's say you want to create post. Here you can find it in your left hand sidebar, and so the pages. You can also create new post or page by going here on the top, by hovering your mouse on new, and by making click on post. Similarly, in case of pages also, we simply need to go here and then need to click on pages, and in this way we can create our page. Now let's understand what is a page and what is a post. So let's start with the pages first. These are like pillar of your website. For example, when somebody land on your site, what they look for: about us, contact, services, privacy policy. Those are pages. Why? Because they are static, timeless, and usually don't change every week. Think of pages like sections in a restaurant menu. They are always there. Starters, main course, dessert. You don't rewrite them every day, okay? For example, if I talk about in this particular site or in this particular template, here I can see there are 3 pages, and if I visit the site, I can see those pages here on the top. And whenever we click on any sample page, something different you will be noticing. There is no publish date, as they are not time based, and we just discussed about it. There is no tags or no category. In fact, there is no author name as well, or even a comment section by default, which again, kind of define the property of a page versus the post, where let me open one such, where we're gonna see the author name and then the category where this post is written, and then we're also going to see the comments. So again, in context of restaurant, I would say if the pages are restaurant menu, posts are daily special, or let's say you would like to share certain experience or event with your customer that update or change with time. Let's say you have a restaurant and then you kept one day as a 50% discount day, and then you would like to announce that specific day. So you can create a post in your website and let other know. Let's say you are running a mobile phone blog, then the post can be top phones under 15,000, or maybe you are running a WordPress related blog, then it could be best free WordPress theme for beginners. So all of these are posts because they are time sensitive, SEO focused, and regularly updated. If we talk about feature of post, again, here we can see they can be shown in reverse chronological order on your blog page. They can be grouped using category or tags, can have publish date, author, depending on the theme that we are using. The post also encourages engagement, as it also come up with comments. So I would suggest use post whenever you are building a content engine, for example, blogs, tutorial, articles, and update. So I hope now you got the better clarity. What should we use and why? So in a nutshell, let me give you a quick comparison with this table. So when we talk about the post, it is time based, however the pages are not. Post may be part of a category or tags, while pages are not. Post will display author and comment and let user add comments. However, the typical page do not have such option. Post is used for writing blogs, news, and update. However, pages are more of static content, for example, about, contact, and services. Now, when we talk about can post be part of menu, the answer can be yes, but by default it will not, because posts we keep on creating so many. However, when we talk about the pages are generally by default the part of menu because they are in limited number. When we talk about organization, structure, then posts are organized or structured chronologically. However, the pages are arranged hierarchically. So the next time WordPress throw that add new button at you, you will know exactly where to go. posts or pages. No more guesswork, no more panic. Also, if you are looking for handpicked theme, plugin and laptop deal to level up your WordPress journey, visit instore.com, which contain list of curated items from Amazon, which will help you to get best deal based on your requirement. Also, if you got value from this video, hit that like button, smash subscribe and turn on notification, because in the next video we will dive into installing WordPress theme and giving your site a new makeover. I am Preetham, this is Technoholic and we just getting started. Catch you in the next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.